Hello everyone, welcome to Just Learning Level YouTube channel. Today we're going to be solving how to count digits in a Python. Like suppose we have number 4, 6, 47. The number of digits in this are is four. Like that, we have to count now digits in a number. Let's go and do code in the Python. Let's go ahead and create one file. Count uh, digits .py. Okay. Now, now that we have Python, just first let's define a main function. Let's take an input like number equals to let's take input like int input. Yeah, like enter your number. Like we take input and we will just count the digits. Like let's define count digits and the number. Okay, and just let's print that next digit is equals to, let's define this to this one equals to, okay. Now let's print that and count digits. Yeah, now just let's write the function. Like we have to call main as well, right? So I'll use this method if name is equals to name, then call main function. Like okay, now let's write main function now. For our count digit function, def count digits. Let's take input and let's write now. So we have to put semicolon here. Okay. Now let's write. Let's initialize count to 0. Okay. Now we have different approaches to solve this problem. The main Pythonic way is like this. Just we'll convert this integer into string. Like convert. Let's take and to convert the number into string, we have to give str and the number. Now it's converted to string. Now we have to run for loop for underscore in convert count is equals to count plus 1. We can write like this also, count plus is equals to 1. Then we will come out of loop and return the count. Okay, our program is ready now. Let's test. Like saved it. Let's go to Python 3 and count digits.py. Okay, it's asking number. Let's check with 1. Okay, we got output as 1. So let's run it again. Let's try for 3 digits. Yeah, now it's getting 3. Let's give some large number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's 8 only. My bad. Yeah, like that. We have to count in Python. There's other approach as well. Let's see that approach as well. Now I'll just comment this out and I'll define function again. Define count digits. Let's take same input and yeah. Now let's always assign count is equal to 0. Now we can do this using while loop as well. While the number n is greater than 0 coming into the loop, if we just let's increase the count plus is equals to 1, and we have to reduce the number as well, right? N divided by 10, then come out of loop and return the count. Yeah, right. Like you have to assign n values. Now it will work. Let's run that again. See, 3, it worked. And there is another approach as well. Let's see that too as well. Now for this we have to import math library. Import math. Now same, we'll define same function count digits. Let's take input n. So we, I'm sorry. So we can use by logarithm function as well. So let's directly assign count is equals to, like for math, let's we get decimal values. So we have to convert into int, like int of math dot log 10 of number plus 1. Like we'll get for for 4-digit thing. Let's see here. For 4-digit, if we see log, we take log 10 of 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 3.5, something like that. So if we convert this into int, if we convert this to int, then we get 3. So we are adding plus 1 here. So we get 4. Like we have 4 digits and 4. Okay. Now we are adding plus 1 and we return the count. Your fingers crossed, and then let's run the code. Enter a number. Let's try the same number. 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer should be 4. 6, 7, 8. Answer should be 4. Yeah, answer is 4. Now we successfully ran count digits program in Python.